Hello, Mohamadi here with TAW Theme. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the TAW Theme platform and show you how you can first get the templates, number 2, set up your hosting, and number 3, install your template, and number 4, how to edit your template. These are the core and most frequent tasks you will be performing on TAW Theme most of the time. So I want to get you situated, give you clarity on those specific tasks so you can go ahead and get building. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen and we're going to dive deep into it. So if you can see my screen, I'm on the TAW Theme landing page. If you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and create an account. If you already have an account, you can just go ahead and sign in. Right? And here we are. This is my dashboard. Don't worry about how my dashboard looks because your dashboard is going to look completely different. It's all depend on the type of services and things that you have going on. Like this notification here, you might not see all this here because you don't have any of these services created. But our focus here is to get you going with the task that you'll be performing the most, as at least to start with, right? So we're going to go straight to the marketplace. We're going to go straight to the marketplace and you're going to see the template marketplace. So in template marketplace, this is where you're going to see all the different templates that you have, all the different templates from different category, and you can just go to category and select any category you're looking for. So let's say I'm going to go to consulting, select consulting, and these are the different type of websites, templates that I have in consulting. Let's say I will get this template. I would just go here and add this to my card. Click on here and it's added to my card. And you can filter. There is a type. Right now, all the templates are paid. Eventually, we're going to have some free templates as well. So you'll be able to click on the free template and see the specific filter. And you can sort by the newest or most popular also as a filter to find the templates. So after I add it to my card, I'm going to go to my card and check it out. And here we are. I'm here and this is my card. I'm going to go ahead and check out this so you guys can see how the checkout works. So I have a specific coupon code that I'm going to apply here to get the templates. And also, if you're using PayPal, you can use PayPal or you can use your credit card or debit card or whatnot. Enter the details and go ahead and proceed. Let's say, boom, boom, boom. Oh, let me apply the coupon code and check out. So checkout transaction complete, successfully done. And what I'm going to go back to my dashboard. And you want to see where is the template that I recently just purchased. You're going to go to my website section. If you go to my website section, you're going to see purchase templates. And that's where the template I just purchased is. And this is it. I can preview the template here. And I can see the view details here. And this is something that we're going to use soon. So we're going to get back to it in a minute. Just remember this activation license key for a minute for me. Okay. So now we have our template. The next thing that we want to do is go ahead and set up, get our hosting. We have 2 different hosting formats, right? You can just click on WordPress hosting on the top menu bar. On the top menu bar, and it's going to open TAW WP hosting. And this is the hosting platform fully integrated with TAW Theme. We own this product as well as a sister company to make sure that we create a really seamless experience for anybody using the platform. And the amazing thing is that you just have to go use your same account information, login, and click login. You log in with your same account with your TAW Theme information details, right? You don't have to create a new account on TAW WP. Same account details. And now I'm logged in. It takes me directly to my website section where I see all the websites I have on this specific in this account. And I would go ahead and add a new website. If I click on add a new website, you see all the templates that I have purchased on TAW Theme automatically publishes here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a subdomain. A subdomain is we give you the opportunity to build the website completely in the subdomain, TAW WP hosting subdomain. And then when you finish your building process, you can publish it, push it out to your actual URL, your domain name. So right now we have our hosting, and we're gonna go ahead and install our template now. So I'm gonna create a subdomain. I'm gonna call it with more agency as my subdomain name, more agency at tawwphosting.com. I'm gonna use admin for username. This is your WordPress username, so you want to make sure you remember the username and the password. And if you're setting the website for a client, you want to use a password that you can share with them as well, because this is the WordPress login information that you will be sharing with them. So I'm going to select my template, and you guys remember the code that we copied here, that we had here. I'm going to go ahead and copy it and go, and go enter it here and just install. And it's going to take a couple of minutes, maybe 1 minute, maybe 30 seconds. Let's see. And this is how you install your website on the with TAW WP hosting. If you log into TAW WP and you don't have a hosting plan, it's going to prompt you to go select a website plan. While that is loading, after you finish loading, I would walk you through the plan section. Let's give it a minute. Boom, nice. Our website is set up, and you can see more agency.tawwphosting.com. I can click on it, and boom, I have my full website literally installed here. And the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and start our editing process. So let's go back here, and I'm going to walk you through the plan. Because I already have a plan here, I can automatically add a website. But if you go to add a website and you don't have a plan, it's going to prompt you, bring you back to the hosting plans. And if you can get the one website hosting plan, you get a 7 days free trial. You're not going to be charged today. You're going to be charged 7 days later. And it's going to be $8.99 a month. You're going to get one active website. You can install one website with this hosting plan. You're going to get the 2 GB storage. You're going to get unlimited bandwidth. Use any domain that you want. A free SSL, a free CDN service to make your website as fast as possible. And auto backup, which is one of the most important feature of hosting. And you have a 24-hour support as well. If you have a question or need help, you can just click on support, and you're going to be able to create a ticket here, as a support ticket automatically from TAW Theme, and the support team will get up and help you with it. So this is one plan. This is the second plan. The individual website plan is 5 websites. And even if you are in a business, and the hosting business is lucrative. Imagine you're paying $24.99 a month, and you have 5 clients, 5 different websites. If you're a website design agency, or you have, any 5 websites that you're going to host, typically we charge our client in my agency $30 a month for hosting. So just one person pays for all the other 5. So you have a profit margin of $30 a month, which is about $120 a month in margin with hosting. So it's a very lucrative, business model, and you can, provide hosting to anybody that your friends and all these people. If you have 5 website plan and you don't have 5 website, you can host anybody else's website and charge them even $20 a month is a good bargain. They pay less than $1 a day, and you make $100 a month if you have all the 5 websites hosted and profit. And you have the monthly plan, the yearly plan. With the yearly plan, you save 2 months. You get 2 months free, and you can just pay all at once. And this is professional and agency plan, which goes up to 25 websites. So you can choose whichever plan you see fits your current status, where you are right now. And as soon as you have your hosting, obviously you can go ahead and start adding your website. And you just saw how easy the website installation was. Next thing, we're going to go and start working on editing the website. The TAW Theme, and TAW Theme user experience is one of our highest priority. We know different type of people are using the platform from different parts of the world, and beginners to intermediate to like people that are really, really design savvy and understand web design to a highest level. And we designed this platform for literally everybody. If you're a beginner, you're going to be able to use the website. You're going to be able to leverage and do any changes that you want on the website as simple as possible. And I'm going to show you how in just a second, right? So what you want to do is you set up your website. Right now, your website is in the subdomain. You can start doing the edits here. But before we go there, I'll show you a couple of things here. This is when you want to set up your custom domain. You can do that. Credential backups is here. You can see your website login details here. And the website, if you want to delete the website, you can do it here, obviously. But don't delete your website unless you have to, right? So, but let's go to WP. We just have to click WP and it logs us automatically into our website. And we can start doing the edits. Once you get here, what you're going to do, you're going to over on this house and you're going to see visit website. And you get to see the visual aspect of the website. And from here, you see the Beaver Builder here. This is what you're going to use to edit your website. You can see home. Home is anything below the header all the way to the footer. And this is the footer, anything below the home section. And this is the header. Pretty much it means what it means, like anything on the header, right? So let's start with like header. We just have to click this and it would open up the website and give us the ability to edit the header. They're going to take you around to show you some stuff. You can please feel free to watch this and see. They're going to give you, it's very educational. They're going to give you some, pointers on how to use the platform efficiently, to build it efficiently. But because I'm an expert, I'm just going to say no thanks. And we are here, right? We are on the header section. So I can just over anything here on the header and edit. So here's where the logo is at. You see the logo here. I can change this to another logo if I have another logo. And you see the size here, 200 by 50. You can pretty much get the same logo size. Size your logo to this. And it'll fit perfectly fine. And this is the call to action. Call us today. If you want to change this to call us now, for instance. It's just here. Change the us to today to now, right? Today to now. It's like call us now. You have that icon. If you want to add an icon, you can add an icon. Link. You can pretty much make the link a call link. And one of the things, let me just go ahead and help you with some resource. Just say phone number. Click to call phone number ht link. And this is where we're gonna see the code. We're just gonna go here and this is it. We're gonna check this. This is the code here. I'm gonna copy it. Boom. And you can pretty much Google the same thing and you see the same thing and just do it. If you want to change, make people, when they click, they call automatically, you'll be able to do that. So we're going to come here. Call us now. I want to go here and put HTML content here. Boom. Save. And it's there, right? So now if somebody clicks here, they're going to call. Let's go ahead and click on done. Publish, and I'm going to refresh the page. And let's go ahead and click here. And you see, if you click, the phone number pops up so people can now click this to call. Now let's go ahead and edit the home page, right? Like you just go back to Beaver Builder and you click on home. And this is anything below the header and above the footer. And you just have to scroll through everything. And you just click, for instance, we want to change the main header. Let's say we want to change this to the top marketing agency in New York City, Miami. What am I talking about? Why New York, not Miami? Because I live in Miami. We're going to put Miami, the top. Let me fix the spelling error here. The top marketing agency in Miami. So I saved that, and I can go ahead if I want to change the button. Same thing here. Just go and update the link here. We're now going to do that. And everything is pretty much the same. You want to change the image here. You just have to get the image. Just look at the size and get an image of the same size, and you'll be able to plug in. Literally anything you want to do here, you just have to scroll over and just edit. Same thing. You know, this is something that scroll through. You click on there. You're going to be able to change whatever is in the edit. You get to see the carousel. You can edit the pictures, edit gallery. You know, edit gallery. You get to see the pictures. You can change them, add something, remove it, and pretty much everything will just load through there. So it's very simple to pretty much edit anything here. So let's consider now we finished editing the website. We're going to go ahead and save, publish. We change anything that we want to change on the website. Now let's go to the next thing. The next thing is always make sure you publish. Otherwise, you're going to lose your edits. So we publish our edits. And the next thing that we want to do is we want to push it out to our main domain. I have a domain here that I'm going to use. It's called luxuryhousekeepers.com. Housekeeper.com. I bought this domain a little while ago, and we're going to use that. So what you're going to do is go to TAW WP. Where are we? Where's TAW WP? Okay. Where's the link? I don't know where it is at. But okay, here it is. Here's TAW WP. We're going to go click here, custom domain. And we are going to just update our domain information. Have luxuryhousekeeper.com. And here you're going to put the www.luxuryhousekeepers.com. You're going to put the www and your domain. www. Make sure there's no space on both sides. And what we're going to do is go add these air records to on my domain name provider. Right? If you're using GoDaddy, this is how you do it. You just add a record at is the name and the value. I had this copied recently, so I just pasted it. So you just want to, you're going to see it here. This is the value. You see host is at. I'm literally following the same thing that we have here. I just paste the value, default, a half an hour, and I just update it, and boom, it's up. So it's added here. So let's go ahead and publish it now. So I entered, make sure there is no space, and then click publish. Now we published it. So our URL here is going to be changed to luxuryhousekeepers.com. I know guys ignore the website because it's a marketing, it's a domain that I bought for something else. I just wanted to use it for this specific example. So from here on now, what I'm going to be able to do, I'm going to be able to go ahead and activate the enable the SSL certificate. You're going to go here, just go on and submit that. It's not configured. It's just taking a little bit of time to fully connect. Right now, you see the domain is still down. Just wait for it for a couple of minutes. Let me maybe try in a private browser. Yep, it's loaded perfectly. It's just, going to take a little bit of time. Or maybe I need to log into TAW WP on here because it's a cache issue. I'm going to log in here and activate the SSL from here and see if we're going to be able to do so. Because it's just a cache issue. If it happens to you, you just know what it is. SSL failed, please contact support. Yes, I think it's a little, it just needs to take a little bit more time before it uploads, but you're going to be able to do to do exactly what I just did and go ahead and activate SSL. If you try and it doesn't activate, just feel free to shoot a text on the TAW Theme Facebook group, make a post, or reach support here about it, and we'll help you get this figured out as soon as possible. So after everything is said and done, you're gonna have your website, on your URL, and this is it. There you have it. We went ahead and upload the website, like purchase the template, install the template, get our hosting, install the template, customize the template, and connect it to our URL, our website URLs. So it was a little longer video than expected. I always try to keep these videos under 10 minutes, but this one was long, but I believe it was worth it. We get to cover pretty much everything. If you have any question about this video, just feel free to drop the question in the TAW Theme Facebook group. Just go on Facebook and look for TAW Theme, and you'll be able to see the Facebook group. Request to join, and you'll be added, and you get to ask your questions there. Or you can just simply submit a support ticket on TAW Theme for, I would suggest Facebook, because it's a faster response, and because the support team have, a lot of support tickets that they're dealing with on a consistent basis. And, just join the Facebook group and let us know if you have any questions. So I hope this kind of covered everything that I wanted to share, and I hope you got a lot of value out of it, and you can go ahead and continue your building process. So take care, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.